Hello everybody, today we make a stuffed cabbage. My wife, she's a Polish. She teach me to make this recipe. I got the leaves cabbage, I blanch already for 3 minutes. Now, this is the green, it's that one outside. I got 2, 3, and 4. This you use for cover on the pots right on the top. And we leave this on the side. Now, I want to show this. I did already some. You see, you got to take it out. This it's a little piece. And I want to show everybody what I was doing. You pick it up like that. And you start over here with a knife. And you cut this piece. Cut this half. When you put the stuff inside, it's easy to roll. This, it's onion and garlic. This, it's the onion and the cabbage. We raise the gas, and this is olive oil. Olio di oliva. Okay, now we start with the chopped onion. This is for the stuffed. And we put it right over here. And I got the garlic. It go together with this one over here. This is a sliced onion. It's a little big, the other one. And we saute the onion first a little bit. The only thing is keep the gas a little low, because the onion gotta be really good and no burn. Okay, now this one I saute a little bit already. And now we put the cabbage. This one it's raw. And you saute together with the onion. Okay, now we need the salt. Little bit over here, because this you gotta go in the mix. And salt over here. And now, black pepper. Little bit over here. And black pepper over here. Alright. And now we give a nice mix. This is gonna be delicious tonight. This one will turn off. It's done. And this one we turn off too, because we gotta go on a mix on the table. Okay, now we start with the stuffed. I left to cool off the garlic and the onion, like this, you know, cook fast the meat. And we start with the meat. And I want to break down a little bit of the meat. Pork shoulder, I ground already. Now we got the rice. And we put it together with the meat. I boil already. I like to use arborio rice. It gets really sticky together. And we break the rice like this. We got the onion, I was saute. Garlic and onion. Now we need a little salt. And black pepper. Good. Now you need a good mix. All together. Okay, now this is a nice mix. I want to put a little my tomato sauce inside, but not too much. That's it. And we do more mix with the tomato sauce. Okay, now we gotta start the stuffed. Okay. And you start like that. Now, one time you close like this a little bit. Take it aside and you put inside. Take this other side and you put inside. And after you roll it again, like this, that's what you gotta call roll like a boss. Eva?
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect, you see? My wife is Polish.
Finally you listen.
Oh, you say finally I'm listen. I gotta listen all the time. Everybody know you gotta listen to big boss. It's why I roll like a boss. And we put it right on this dish. And one time I finish the roll, everything, it gotta go on the bigger pots, and we gotta start to handle the business. Okay, now we turn the gas back on. Cause we gotta start all the stuff. You gotta go on top of the onion, and the cabbage goes sauteed together. And make sure to tie this one to be on the bottom, not on the top. If you put on the top, you lose all the meat of inside. And we put it nice. Okay, now it's a time to put the sauce all over the place over here. And we got a chicken stock. Okay, good. I got a couple of bay leaves and I put it right inside over here. Now this is the green cabbage. You cover like this, really good. And I got the rest of the chicken stock, and we put everything over here together. Now I use this dish to keep everything done like that. Now when it start to boil, I put the gas really low. You gotta cook for 1 hour. Now it's 1 hour, and let's bring the pots on the table over here. Okay, now let's remove this leaves green I use for the top. And let's take my stuffed cabbage. Look delicious. Look there. It's delicious, tastes really good. A salute to everybody.